Alright, so today we're back in the garage and we are testing the fuel pump. It stopped working a few weeks ago, trying to figure out if it's mechanical or electrical. That's our lovely fuel pump that we're working with. We've got some wires that we've basically traced out of this thing right through there. And they come out right here. So, the first one is a ground. That's not good. Goes right there. And the other one, we basically traced this red wire all the way into a relay over here. So this wire goes into a relay, which we've taken out of the relay. And then we basically created right there this green wire. We've got another right here. And we're gonna test it out. Let's see how this goes. All right, so now what we're gonna be doing is just trying to complete the circuit. Only using these high power electrical gloves, probably way overkill, but the family's out of town, so they wouldn't find my body for a while. So what we're listening for is just the sound of the fuel pump, just to let us know that it's working. So if that works, we're good to go. There we go.